how to recover your deleted messages on Messenger in iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter because it is the exact same process, so please follow up with me. Now first we open Facebook and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. If you're on an iPhone, the three lines will be at the bottom. Anyways, go ahead and tap on the three lines, and then from here tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap again on Settings. Now from here scroll down until you find Download Your Information. Once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on Request a Download. You can choose to download a whole complete copy, but since we only need messages, tap on Select Types of Information to go ahead and select messages. So once you tap right there, you get all of the categories right here. Tap on Messages, and after that tap on Next at the bottom right here. From here, make sure the format is HTML, but you can modify the other categories like the media quality and data range. After that, tap right here to provide a notification method. So you just tap right there and give them your email right here. After that, tap on Submit Request. And just like that, they will notify you once your copy is ready. So you go ahead and download it and open it, and you should find the messages right there. And that is how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.